Have you ever been wondering how to resize images in Photoshop? It is a simple process which I will briefly explain. Open an image that you would like to resize and navigate to the top menu, select Image and click on Image Size. If you prefer to use keyboard shortcuts, Mac users can press Command, Alt and I keys, and if you are using Microsoft Windows PC, the combination of Ctrl, Alt and I key will work. A new window will pop up where you will see the details about the image's size and resolution. The top two rows show the pixel dimensions of the image. The document size is the actual printing size, while the resolution indicates how many pixels each square inch contains. Below the document size, you can see three options: scale styles, constraint proportions, and resample image. You can change your image size by either modifying its pixel dimensions or the actual document size, depending on your needs. The Constraint Proportions option is very useful to preserve the image's original width to height ratio. If checked, by increasing the width, the Photoshop will automatically adjust the height as well. If I increase the width from 900 pixels to 1200 pixels, the height will automatically increase also. If I decrease the width to 600, as you can see, the height decreased proportionally. Uncheck it if you want to be able to change the width and height of your image independently. If I uncheck Constraint Proportions and I increase the width to 1200, height remains the same. Same with, for instance, decreasing the size. If I decrease the height, the width remains the same. Keep in mind that without preserving the proportions of an image, it can become blurred, shrunken, stretched, depending on the ratio you've chosen. For instance, if I decrease the width to 600 without decreasing the height proportionally, and I apply, you can see that the image got shrunk. In order to preserve the most of your image's quality, it is advised to preserve its original proportions. A very important point to mention is that every time an image is resized, it loses some of its quality. Always keep your original file as a reference file. Either increase or decrease the size. Never attempt to perform both operations on the same file. Have a look. The original width of my file is 900 pixels. If I first reduce it to 200 pixels and then increase it back to 900 pixels, the image will look extremely blurry.